Hey guys, today I am thrifting at the Goodwill Outlet Bins. If you have not been here before, it's all of these bins full of stuff that they bring out all day long. These on the walls, and then also these bigger bins over here. This is cute. I love this black metal chippy piece. Ren's with me too. What you found? What is it?
Look at this cute one.
That is adorable. I love her.
But
Ren.
I got it first.
Well, I'm not trying to take her. Wait, is there more in there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this. It's a bin full of dolls. She's cute too.
Hey,
look at her. She's holding some flowers.
The Goodwill Bins just knows what you like.
The Goodwill Bins does know what I like.
And it knows what I like too.
Ooh, look at that. Lee's with me too. Chippy white. Look at these cute little dolls in here. Ooh, she's pretty too.
Oh, I want to find.
Look at this one. This is old.
I want to find two.
Oh yeah.
She's
I
super
want to
old.
find the baby and the big girl.
Oh, what is this? I think it's a whale with a little heart. Or is it a cat? Is it a whale or a cat? Could it be both? I don't know. Whatever it is coming home with us. Little ornament. Ooh, a paperweight, y'all. Look at this cute little strawberry. It's actually a candle. I love that. What?
So like this thing, these are bags of slime, and you put them inside here. And
Okay.
Then you squish them, and then
Is slime allowed in our house? Oh, cute little baby shoe. I like that. Here's a little sifter. Exciting news, they're changing out that wall. Unfortunately, we didn't get to dig through it before they started changing it out. Cutting boards, some art. That's cute. Little pumpkins. Let's see what's in this bin over here. Oh, I like this tag. I don't like the A on it. I wonder if I could get that off and do something else with this tag. Here's another cute little candle. I'm gonna get this. I think this will look good in the vignette. Let's see what Goodwill is selling it for. $1.99. Are you over there playing with slime? I see an elephant. Oh, it's a little watering can. It's plastic. Anybody need an elephant watering can? Oh, this is cute. It almost looks like the cabbage print. There's no markings on it, but I'm pretty sure it's an older piece. I think I'm gonna get it. Ooh, what are these pink things right here? Man, there's some chips on it. I don't think it's anything special. I just love the way they looked stacked up, but I'm gonna leave them here with all these chips. Ooh, this is cute. I like this artwork. I'll get that. What's this? Pink. You know what? I like that. I could use it as a background. And this wooden frame is actually from the Dollar Tree. They used to have them a long time ago, and I love them. So I'm gonna get that too.
what I found.
What you found? Oh, little bride and groom.
Please, can I have it?
Yeah, you can have it. Ooh, look at these little crocheted blocks. These are adorable.
My hands are
If they're not messed up and dirty, I'm gonna go ahead and get all of these.
Mommy.
Look what I found. Some more American flags. My 4th of July stash is growing. I just found this set of 3 pumpkins that would be really cute on the porch. This is vinyl, and I don't know, I don't love them, but I think that this is a good start, and I could probably give them a makeover in the fall to put on my porch, and they're 3 different sizes, so I think we're gonna get these 3. Cart is getting super full. I just found these 2 pieces. This will be perfect for a little fall vignette, and a cute little brass candlestick. Never pass those up. Oh, here's another one right here. This one probably needs a little paint job, but we can give it a makeover. Here's a little 2-tone planter basket that is really cute. Perfect size for a little ivy. Look at these stuffed cats that I found. This one has a few stains on it, but it's heavy and a vintage pattern, so I think I'm gonna try to rescue that. Look at the Cheshire cat. He's adorable. This one's my favorite with this blue and pink floral. And then, so I think since those are cats, then this is probably a cat too, but I don't know. I still feel like it looks like a whale. They got a bunch of cute pillows here today. Look at this pretty green one, this Christmas one, and my Christmas colors, white and gold. Let me see if I can take it off and clean it. Oh yeah, it has a zipper. All right, this one might be coming home with me.
This one's pretty. This one's pretty. Oh, I want this one for my room.
That one's cute.
This one says.
It says sparkle.
I'll definitely want it.
All right, it looks like we're getting some pillows today. Look at this teeny tiny little fishing pole I just found. The little pieces right here are rusty. I've never seen one like this before. Is this actually usable? There's a bin of toys right here, but as I was digging, look what I found. Creepy vintage Santa Claus. Yes, you're coming home with me. What this was originally used for, I do not know. And I'm kind of liking this little giraffe. I feel like he needs to be rescued. Alright guys, well we had a great Sunday at the Goodwill Bins, but I think we're going to be heading out. These are all of Ren's treasures right here. What's your favorite treasure, Ren?
Definitely the baby Yoda.
Oh yeah, this baby Yoda is adorable.
Hi guys.
And we got 2 baby Yodas yesterday. Your bed's going to be full. And look at all of the stuff we got. If you remember what I got, leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite piece. We got these. We're going to DIY in the fall. We got some pillows, vintage Santas, lots of vintage stuff. So much good stuff. Let me know if y'all think this is a cat or a whale. Still trying to figure it out. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure. Oh,
Bye.
bye.
I forgot to show you. This looks like a baby Yoda girl.
She's cute.
She's a baby Yoda girl.
All right, we're going to checkout.
Oh, and look at this. It's
Snow globes.
snowing.
Ren loves snow globes.
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all have a great day. We'll
Did you notice this is a puppy and it has big shoes?
Cute. All right, y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Next one.